Okay, so you never get positives about dog owning. I'm here to tell you the truth. Vacuum every day, sometimes twice a day. This is just for one room. You get the long hair from the long haired guys and the short hair from the short haired guys. And if I honestly tell you that two of my family members are asthmatic, we have to be on top of this. But this is every day, and I do brush my dogs, so that is just general when they're messing about, playing, fighting, running around. This is what comes off in 12 hours. You would not believe it. So for anyone who says, yeah, I want a dog, this is what you've got to do. The truth is, dogs cast their hair, shed their hair, and you have to keep on top of it, because in there will be dog fleas. They'll pick it up from outside, the local cat's carrying it, they'll bring them in and in your carpet. Also, when you feed them, you've got the other end, all the poop you have to pick up. So, much love they bring you, but it is time and effort. This shark that I keep going on about, it's only a small capacity collector box, but still, there's my hand span. I haven't got very big hands. That is full. Look at the top. Can without spilling it all. Okay, so that's where it's collected around the top. This is just the hair, mainly from Aussie, that looks like. So yeah, if I have a dog, by all means, have two dogs. One dog, two dogs, twice the trouble. Yeah, this shark vacuum, loving it, can recommend it. Okay, so until next time, this is Mark, Cerberus K9 UK, saying catch you later.